In this video, we will explain the meaning of error E4 in different air conditioning brands. Let's start by saying that error E4 can indicate problems with a temperature sensor in the air conditioning unit. Temperature sensors are electrical resistors, primarily of the NTC type, whose value in kiloohms or electrical resistance decreases with an increase in temperature. The corresponding control board is responsible for regularly providing a voltage, whose value varies with resistance and, on average, is around 5 volts. The brands affected by this error are as follows. Carrier, issues with an open circuit or a short circuit in the ambient temperature sensor, either indoor or outdoor, depending on the unit's model. Midea, issues with the outdoor unit's temperature sensor. York, issues with the indoor ambient temperature sensor. In central type York air conditioning units, there may be issues with the temperature sensor in the compressor discharge tube. Bosch, Westinghouse, Fujitsu, issues with the indoor ambient temperature sensor, with an open circuit or short circuit. Train, Gree, Sharp, Electrolux, Kelvinator, error E4 means protection against high compressor exhaust temperatures. Higher, indoor unit, error E4 indicates an incorrect EEPROM. In portable higher air conditioners, error E4 means the unit has a built-in tank that needs periodic emptying. To test the temperature sensor, you should use a multimeter set to the kiloohm scale. Disconnect the sensor and measure the resistance. The multimeter should display a value that decreases when you rub the sensor with your hand. The sensor should not show infinite or zero resistance. It should have a value that can also be verified in the manufacturer's catalog. It is also advisable to check if the control board is providing the sensor with the correct voltage. With the sensor connected, the multimeter should read around 2.5 volts when measured in the direct current voltage scale, as we can see in the figure. In the case of Daikin, error E4 is due to the activation of the low pressure switch, pounds. This indicates that the system detects a lack of gas in the air conditioning. For Samsung, error E4 can be related to forced defrosting, low refrigerant gas levels, a faulty pump, or a damaged temperature sensor, or fluctuations in system pressure. A refrigerant leak generates low pressure, which can be detected through the ampere meter clamp, as the air conditioner's electric consumption decreases when there is a refrigerant gas leak. Furthermore, you can visually verify the presence of oil stains on both the outdoor and indoor units and pipes, as refrigerant leaks leave residues of lubricant.